and today I'm bringing you another unboxing of two products which I have received from Scalelab24. Check them out on Facebook because they are producing some great products, especially for newer released kits like the Audi R8 and the BMWs being released recently. Check their products out. I have already reviewed one of their products, which is this one, which is the Photo-etch set for the GR Supra, the new release from Tamiya. Check that out on the other video I have. But today, the other products I would like to take a closer look from Scalelab are these two Photo-etch sets, which are generic. They can be used on different kits. They can be adapted, and they mainly consist of the seat belt buckles and also the disc brakes Photo-etch set. Let's first begin with the harness, with the seat belt buckles. The code from Scalelab24 is SL0209. It's a small Photo-etch set, however it contains all the Photo-etch necessities to make your own seat belts. Detailed interior, as you can see. You have the accessories right there, and also included are some Sparco lettering which can be attached on the harness, which will be displayed and which you can also paint in whatever color you like. Okay, pretty basic and also very good priced from Scalelab24. Now let's take a look at the second Photo-etch I have, and this one is for disc brakes. Okay, there may seem a lot of parts, however this forms into one car, 4 disc brakes, enough to build one car with 4 equally sized Photo-etch pieces. The code is SL02017, and this is the type B because they have other patterns. I chose this one. This is the one which I liked the most. However, there are another 2 patterns which you can choose from, and you can check them out. Okay, as I've said, from their Facebook page. And on the back we can see some instructions or what exactly we are looking at on the front. And the good thing is that they have made the fitments for the male and also for the female fitments. So that means if you are building Yoshima or Fujimi or Tamiya, they can be adapted to be fitted inside to your kit. Okay, so as we can see, since Tamiya have a male fitment, we can attach these parts together, and then the original shaft from the wheel will be protruding from the back to the front, and then the wheel attached normally. Same goes for the Yoshima Fujimi, where we have the larger hole so that those type of wheels can fit just the same. Obviously some modification is still required, however that makes life easier. I really liked this thing, and maybe the thing which made me even order them. Okay, and regarding size, over here we have the 15mm diameter standard disc brakes 1:24 scale. So taking a closer look at what we have just seen on the back, okay, we have the front and back, the grills that go in the middle to make it as realistic as possible. These with the smaller hole, 1, 2, 3, 4, and also these 4 goes for the Tamiya fitment, and these 4 with the they're actually 5. Okay, I'm realizing right now. And these ones right here I used for the Hiroshima Fujimi fitment. I really like these. Okay, good job Scalelab24, and I'm looking forward to use them sometime in the future. Regarding caliper, you can cut your own caliper if it's big enough to fit on these brakes, or else I have seen some calipers which can be purchased separately from other companies, and I'm sure they will look great fitted to these disc brakes. So that is all from me. 2 other products from Scalelab24. Check them out on Facebook and have a look at their awesome range of products, and I must say that they also have some pretty good prices. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.